Okay guys, so I just received an email from Newscrypto and it says free access to Pro Tools for 48 hours. Wow. This is an amazing promo from Newscrypto. So you want to know how to avail it? Stay tuned until the end of this video. So what's up peeps, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury and we're back once again for another Newscrypto video. So it is the best place for money making decisions in the crypto world. So Newscrypto is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem covering everything from education to industry leading proprietary trading indicators and tools. So for more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for crypto traders and enthusiasts around the world. And not only that, they also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next generation mobile app, which can be downloaded and accessed for both Android and iOS users. Now, what's the catch here regarding the free 48-hour promo of Newscrypto in accessing the Pro membership tools? Okay, so I know that some of you haven't subscribed yet to the Pro membership of Newscrypto. So for basic members out there, like if you wanted to experience these tools being used by the Pro members, so Newscrypto has a promo for you. So you'll be having free access to the Pro tools for 48 hours. So having a professional membership would give you access to the following Pro tools, like the AI price sentiment, which can predict future price movements and price reversals. They also have the Pro moonlines, in which that would indicate key support and resistance levels. They also have their one-of-a-kind arbitrage, in which we could instantly identify all the best arbitrage opportunities. We also gain access to the technical analysis reports, in which we could learn more about the market phases, price movements, and we get to know the technical analysis on complete trading setups. They also have the FA or fundamental analysis reports, in which you could learn more about the fundamentals behind different crypto projects, from how they work in their tokenomics. They also have their state-of-the-art backtesting bot, in which we could backtest different trading strategies in a matter of seconds. And finally, we have the on-chain analytics, in which we could make the most of on-chain information to adapt your trading strategy. So if you are a basic member and wanted to try out these Pro tools for free, but of course, it's only for a limited time, so you can get access to these Pro tools for 48 hours absolutely free. So before you're going to commit to subscribe to Pro membership right here on Newscrypto, they are so generous in giving basic members a chance to try out the Pro tools for free, even for just 48 hours. So if you want more details about it, like how to get started, so I have provided all of the source links right here on my YouTube description. And also make sure that you follow their official social media channels to stay updated regarding their latest developments. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are into crypto trading. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? Do let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.